Lightweight, portable, throw in your tool bag whenever you need a multimeter to pull out, do your work. You're working on the car that you need to do some readings of wiring. Checking if your boiler, your water heater, and more are working to your necessary needs. You need to verify your voltage on your panels and more. Simply wrap up, place in your toolkit. Simple as that. The C732 is a ohms meter, a multimeter for all your needs in DC, AC, impedance, and more. Check online for further details about your products. We also have kits that you can add additional probes, temperature gauges, needles to help the accessory of your multimeter. We're going to open this up, show you what you get inside, how nicely it's packed and protected, paperwork, your cables, leads, probe, 2 AAA batteries, and the ohms meter, orange color. On the back of the unit, you have a kickstand that opens up, allow the unit to stand so you can read. And the first thing we're going to do is install the batteries. Over here, there is an area that we need to take a screw out. Simply get a screwdriver and unscrew. They lock into a slot, as simple as that. Close back up with the tab in the door correctly. Carefully remove the tie wrap and place in to the negative of the common, the black cable, and the maximum of 10 amps in order to secure not blowing a fuse. The CAXIELLY C732 has a number of interest series of DC, AC, your impedance ohms, and your grounding and more. Going over in a brief detail, we're going to show you the ground. You're going to hear a high-pitched sound when you touch the 2 leads together. Looking for a short in the cable, you would touch the 2 leads, and if it's open, that means you have a short. To give you an example of an open, you would take your meters to each of the individual ends, and you will have an open. When the 2 ends will correctly touch and close, you get a beep. Switch your meter to DC and check out the DC side, and switch your meter to AC to check out AC side for your readings. With kits, you have extended leads that will fit into the meter. Different types of probes, needles, alligator clips, and additional tips, and temperature sensors. A multimeter C732 for all your needs in checking out battery levels, electrical outlets, automobile, mechanical work, anything that you need to do a reading with a multimeter. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for your electrical needs.